Hey folks, welcome back to Scott's Automotive Corner, where I explain as simply as possible terms you may have heard in the automotive and mechanical universe. This is a very special video. We're here at the 4th Annual Project Maynardstang Cruise-In. I have Landan with LMR Restoration, LMR.com. They came out, sponsored the show. Hopefully you follow the LMR.com YouTube channel. This video is extra special because if you know Project Maynardstang and Cody, aka Maynard, you know Ugly Betty, our project car, the mascot of the channel. LMR has been super important in putting this car together because they carry everything from 79 to current model year Mustangs. So I want to take you a little tour of Ugly Betty here. All the parts that are on her, all the parts LMR has done. When we did the video about a year ago, the dyno video, Cody said the reason we bought this car, well, that was most of them. Now part of it for me at my age, being pushing nearly 50, these cars were hot when I was a kid, but also I knew of LMR before we had a Fox body, and I knew that the parts were plentiful. There's a good company close by that we could put the car together. So 2011, when we started the project, first thing was LMR catalog. So we'll take you around and just show you all the parts I can think of that are on the car, just front to back, inside out. Just starting with just the hood pins. First of all, Ford Racing hood pins came from LMR. The cowl vent panel on the hood, along with the windshield extension panels, those are all from LMR. Of course, the new style 5.0 badges. Now the Fox thing is something else, but Cody's in the Foxes. The SVE sling style wheels, and the inner fenders, you can't see those, all LMR, along with the shorty antenna. Moving further back, the quarter panel are belt molding extensions on the doors, LMR.com. The boot cover for the convertible top, LMR part. On around to the back side, the new LX emblem, and instead of putting the Ford blue over back, we did the 302 High Performance, again straight from the LMR catalog. I think that's most of the exterior. We'll go ahead, since while we're here, get inside. Got the 5.0 floor mats, got the cup holders, console, got the console delete, the Corbo GTS 2 seats from LMR, the new door armrests always come apart straight from the LMR catalog. The steering wheel, yep, had to get that from LMR. The Alcantara on there. Even down to the radio bezel to go ahead and put the single DIN radio in there, fits in there perfect, all from the LMR catalog. Something really cool on this car, also from LMR. The quarter glass actually goes up. You see everybody with the vert roll around with the quarter glass is either up or down. Nope. Follow the video. Bought the kit to replace all the plastic bushings in there, new motors, all from LMR. I'm not going to put the top up because I didn't do a great job, but that is a new top that came from LMR. A guy I worked with, and I put that in there back in the day. Also,
good stuff.
Yeah,
it's all good, but
it's all good. The complete AC kit, because when we bought this car, the AC was completely gone except for a compressor that was just working as an idler pulley. So we bought the whole kit, put the new evaporator core in, long new heater core, upgraded the fans, the SVE radiator, cold air intake, mass airflow sensor, tune-up kit. I mean, even the tune-up kits came from the LMR catalog. Water pump, even the hardware. I didn't realize it was hardware. The water pump been done a couple times, and there was a ton of shims and crap in there, and so yeah, everything. So many parts. So I wanted to give a shout out to LMR. We got Landan here. Appreciate LMR coming. Make sure you check him out. And thank you to LMR for always taking care of us. There's a lot of people spend a lot more money than we have over the years, but this car wouldn't be here if it wasn't for LMR. So we appreciate the sponsorship, the parts, and everything y'all have always done.
God, thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
We had a blast. This is always a great thing. What Cody puts on, his family, Scott, his mom, helps him with. This was, like Scott said, this was the 4th annual Maynardstang Cruise-In. Great venue out here at the Cameron Airport. Planes, cars, people. Got guys selling some Hot Wheels cars. So it's a great time, good food. Matter of fact, there goes a plane right there. So we always love jumping at small opportunities. It's been humbling for us to be able to help Scott, Cody, his family out, get the car right, because I know y'all dropped it off. We did a slew of things, like you mentioned, the water pump.
Oh yeah, forgot the brakes all the way around.
The brakes. So we love doing this stuff, and we love when folks put on the car shows to give back. And if you're interested, what Cody has and what he does is, of course, it's Project Maynardstang. Check out his website. Read through what he has to say, look at his journey, look at his story, and then, as always, leave him a donation if you're willing. So thank you all, Scott.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. You got it.
If you need parts for your project, remember to check out LMR.com, home to the real enthusiasts.
You got it. Thanks, Scott.
Thank you.
Yep.
Well, folks, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I wanted to do a quick little postscript because there's some things I forgot while we were out there live trying to record this. Just couldn't remember everything, so a few parts that I missed. The tailpipes on the car came from late model restoration. We didn't even have tailpipes on the car when we bought it, so when we got the exhaust redone, we got the 2.5-inch original style tailpipes. Also under the hood is a 130 amp alternator, black. The original alternator on the cars was pretty weak, and when you upgrade things like stereo systems, you need the extra power, so that came from late model restoration. Also, the outside door handles came from late model restoration. They were pretty bad. And I don't remember whether I mentioned that the cooling fan on the car was upgraded with the late model restoration piece. Went from mechanical to an electric fan. Another part you can't see, but is in there. The convertible top had quit working here 2-3 years ago. Put a new motor pump in there from late model restoration. Worked like a charm. Has been working ever since. Another thing I wanted to mention about them, they not only do Mustang parts, but they also do the Lightning pickups, the original Lightnings, the first generation from the early 90s, and then the second generation from the late 90s to early 2000s. And if you have a Harley Davidson truck, you can probably get some of those parts because they were pretty similar to the Lightnings in some respects. So again, just want to say thank you to Late Model Restoration for everything that they've done for us. They've supported us so much, supported Cody and Project Maynardstang. Make sure you check them out if you have a project, have a Mustang late model, or if you're thinking you want to do a project and you don't know what you want to buy. Well, maybe look into a Mustang or a Lightning truck because they are a great source with great people. Their service is second to none. The parts are second to none. And again, they are just really, really great people. So make sure you check them out. And one last thing on this video, when we started recording it, it was late in the afternoon at the cruise-in. You'll notice Cody, Landan, and I, we look kind of tired. We were pretty tired. I know the guys from Late Mall, they met up early and cruised in, and they put up their whole display, and then we had a couple of days, Cody and I did, of just getting ready for the show. So we were kind of dragging, but it was a great turnout. And again, thank you to Late Mall Restoration. Make sure you check them out and continue to follow Project Maynardstang. Thank you so much.